My tea's gone cold, I'm wondering why I got out of bed at all. The morning rain clouds up my window, and I can't see it all. And even if I could, it'll all.
We have an injured bird in the house. Yep. We rescued a bird. I think it's called a Lincoln. I'm not sure. We're going to take that bird to the wildlife rescue, I guess, in Fort Lauderdale. A friend of mine said to me that I'm not supposed to give injured birds food or water, which that's exactly the first thing that I had given. So I took all of that away. Also, my brilliant son went to the pet store and grabbed a bag of crickets, which I think I'm going to release at my sister's house. Yes, a bag of crickets. Lenore, these are for you.